Good morning friends, this is Abdurrahman with my another video. Today we are now talking about my Hot Wheels. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make an aeroplane. This is my A4 size paper. You will take a A4 size paper and then we'll make an aeroplane. I'm making a big aeroplane, not a small aeroplane. I'll make in another video a small aeroplane. Now let's start. First we have to fold like this into into half for the line we have to get. Make sure the corners should be equal. My corners are slightly not equal, so I am trying to make them equal. That makes the perfect airplane. Now we have made an half page. You can see this line in the middle. Now we'll take these corners into this, like a triangle like this. Both corners will be like this, into the line. Now this I have made one corner like this. Now another corner I will make. This is another triangle I have made. It is slightly a little big. By the way, this is my sister Fatma. Now we have made two triangles like this. Now we will take this thing into like this. We'll take like this one into here on the central line. The triangle we have, this side we'll put on the central line. We'll fold like this and both will make like this. Oh sorry. Now this we have made like this, like a rocket type. From inside it looks like this. These are the triangles. Now we have to fold like this on the top. We have fold like this. Now we will put these two sides equal. We will put this into a half. Like this we put into a half. Make a crease tightly. This is now we have got the shape. Now we'll take this side to here like this in a half, like this. Like this. We have this one we got. Now we put it into a half, this side into here. We fold it like this and make a crease. From the another side we will flap it like this, then do it again. Make sure the corner, the end it will be a point like this. Now you have got an airplane like this. If you like the video, please give a like, give a comment and please subscribe. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next video very soon.